Blush, often called rouge, is a staple in many makeup routines and has been used for centuries to add color, warmth, and life to the face. It is typically applied to the cheeks to give the appearance of a healthy, youthful glow. Available in various forms, such as powder, cream, gel, and liquid, blush comes in a wide range of shades to complement different skin tones and personal styles. The main goal of using blush is to mimic the natural flush of the skin and enhance facial features, making the face appear more vibrant and defined. Blush plays a vital role in shaping the face. When applied correctly, it can accentuate cheekbones, create a lifted look, or even subtly reshape the face depending on the desired effect. For example, applying blush slightly above the apples of the cheeks and sweeping it upward can give the illusion of higher cheekbones and a more youthful appearance. Similarly, applying blush lower or more toward the center of the cheeks can create a softer, rounder look. This makes blush not just a color addition, but also a contouring tool that can change the perception of facial structure. Different blush textures offer different finishes and are suitable for various skin types. Powder blush is ideal for oily skin types and gives a matte or slightly luminous finish. Cream blushes are great for dry or mature skin because they blend easily and offer a dewy, fresh look. Liquid and gel blushes provide a sheer, buildable wash of color and are often used for a more natural, skin-like appearance. Each type of blush requires a different application technique, often with fingers, brushes, or sponges, depending on the product's consistency. Choosing the right blush color is essential to achieving a harmonious look. For fair skin, soft pinks, peaches, and light corals work well. Medium skin tones suit mauves, deeper peaches, and rose shades, while darker skin tones can carry rich plums, berries, and bright tangerines.